create custom character, let's take a look to our LCD screen first. So here you will notice there will be 8 matrix of boxes in each column. Okay, 5 boxes would be in horizontal ways and rest of 8 boxes will be in vertical ways. Alright, so let's design this column in our programming part. So here's my programming part. Now first of all declare the variable, let's say degree. Now here we are creating an array. Okay, now just write down B00110. 0 means it will turn off the square box, single square box, and 1 means it will turn on the single square box. Okay, these are in binary form. B01001, B01001, B00110, B0000. Okay, just copy paste. Alright, now let's print this special character. To print character, we'll write temp.create char. Okay, now just write any address, let's say 4. Now write the variable name, which is degree. Okay, now set the cursor where you want to print this symbol. Here I want to print this symbol just before letter C and after the value of Celsius. Okay, for that temp.set cursor 51. Okay, now just to print this symbol, which is degree, you write temp.write byte, just write the address 4. You can take any address, but let's say 3, so you also need to write over here 3. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. So here you will notice the print degree symbol has been print. Okay, similarly you can print any special character just like alpha, beta, gamma in your LCD screen by just changing these bits, binary bits. Okay, so that's all about it. Now let's do our next exercise.